What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we got another stash update. Quite a bit actually in this video. I wasn't going to do one, but I was like, well, I better do so because I got quite a bit of kits. So we're going to go from section to section. We're going to start off with my hobby shop. Got two kits from my hobby shop lately, just because they're pretty cool. I've been wanting them for a while. So the first one I picked up was the actual half cab. We got the half cab Bronco from Avell. If you know this kit actually came with the Doom Buggy and trailer. That's when this kit first issued. But anyway, it had different wheels and tires on it. This one's more like a, basically a stock version. The other one's kind of like a custom one that comes in a Doom Buggy. So that's the first issue of the the half cab, and the only way to get the half cab was by that whole Doom Buggy kit and stuff. And a lot of times, people didn't want that kit because the Doom Buggy in that kit is actually garbage. It's like a 60-year-old mold Doom Buggy, and and not many people really wanted it. They just wanted half cab. So years on the road, Avell finally bought it, just bought out just the half cab Bronco, which is super cool. So very neat. Now there's three versions of the Bronco, which is super neat. I still have yet to do a stock Bronco because I did all of the Jimmy or the Fusen Brothers or Olsen Brothers parts. So I still have yet to do a stock Bronco. So maybe we'll do another stock Bronco one of these years. But very cool. Got the half cab. Next one I got. Everybody loves this kit. I've never gotten one, but I know Fred loves it. I know a bunch of guys, people love turning this kit into a Pro Street. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a Pro Street on it or not. Who knows? Maybe I might. We got the 55 Chevy Bel Air sedan. Again, this is a really popular kit. A lot of people like this kit. I never got a chance to get it until my hobby shop had a little sale on it. It's 28 bucks. Regular price was like 33, 34 bucks. So dropping price a little bit because it's been out for quite some time now. But I figured get it because it's, like I said, a lot of people like it, and I've never gotten one. So, and you can tell in the parts, it's very detailed. It comes with a couple of different, engine intakes and stuff here and there, different wheels. So very cool kit. Figured get it just for the heck of it, and we can make this into a really nice model. We're gonna do swap meet. My local model club had a swap meet at my local hobby shop, Small Addictions. I got quite a bit of kits there because, for one, my local model club, they mostly do military. So yes, they do mostly military, and it's just super cool. And they're the ones kind of got me into military because I do tanks here and there. But they had a little swap meet at my hobby shop, and a few of them had some cars. And I gotta say, these are probably the cheapest car kits that I've ever gotten in my history, because they don't like cars, they don't do cars, and they just want to get rid of them. So I got three batches from 3 different sellers. So the first seller I got 2 models from, and I got them for $5 each. So we got the Ford police car. This is very cool. It's a 1970s, I believe. This is very cool. I love these old 70s era police cars with this old light bar. I might do this one as like the New York City police car, which I believe the New York City police car was like a light blue back in the day. Light blue and white, I believe, or just all white blue. I'm not sure, but this is very cool. I believe they had this kit almost no, not the same one, but it's almost identical kit. They have a taxi cab as, but I figured get this. A lot of these kits are open, but they're sealed inside because I checked them in. Yeah, so $5. I'm not complaining. So that's a cool one. And with that sour, again, I got with this sour, I only got 2. You don't see this kit too often. You don't see it. It's not really popular. A lot of people like to build them. The 1993 Ford F-150 pickup. Very cool. The 1990s F-150 pickups, they weren't really popular. They weren't the really popular body style of the pickup of the F-150, but you don't see these. You don't see these too often. And my hobby shop owner, Chris, the owner, walked in there. He's looking around and he's like, "No, you should get that F-150." He said, "You don't see them too often." I said, "Yeah, you're right." So, yeah, I figured get it. $5. You can't complain. I mean, and this kit is packed to the rim. I mean, it's literally, look at this. It's full. It is packed full of parts. So if AMT is willing to bring this kit back out, I mean, I'm sure it will sell pretty good, because you know, you don't see them anymore. I've never seen this kit before, and you know, it should be very cool. Nice build. It should be a nice build. Probably won't be too popular on the shelves or on the tables at model shows. Probably won't get that much attention, but I don't care. This is actually a really cool truck, and F-150, one of the most popular trucks in America. Okay, so another seller. He had some NASCAR models. Again, $5 each. I mean, you just can't complain. So the first one I got from him was, we got a Davey Allison kit. So if you saw my video, we just got the Davey Allison kit from the kit of a month. Well, actually for last month, which is super cool. So we got another Davey Allison. I had this kit already, but I figured pick up another one because, you know, I can get different decals for this Thunderbird. So very cool. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this one as Davey Allison or whatever, because I do have 2 of these. So we'll probably do them as a different driver. But figured $5. I'm not complaining. These Thunderbirds are pretty cool. And yeah, so got that one. And the next NASCAR, I can't believe he had it, but he had a Dale Earnhardt version. Pretty cool. So again, I already have this NASCAR, but again, I can get a different decal sheet and do a different driver if I want to. But very cool. So we got our Dale Earnhardt. So really cool. I do have a Dale Earnhardt decal sheet for the other kit I have. So this one we'll probably do as a different driver. Who knows? But very cool. So box is a little destroyed, but yeah, $5. Can't complain. And yeah, it is, like I said, all these kits are sealed, and you know, just the boxes are somewhat destroyed, but everything's there. But yeah, very cool. So $5, again, can't complain. Another seller, we got some really cheap kits. So I bought 1 military vehicle from him, and I got 4 cars kit from him. So we'll show you the military kit because I think this is pretty cool. We got a half track. I never built a half track before. This is really cool. This is a USA half track. I'm not exactly sure what year this is. I'm sure most of you military guys can tell me what year. It just looks like some 70s, or I'm not exactly sure. Probably later in the 70s, to be honest. It's probably like 40s or something like that. You military people can probably tell me in the comments, and I'll appreciate that. But there's some of their models on the side. This is an older kit. This is an older issue, a 1976. Yeah, this is a really, I didn't know how old this kit was until I looked at the year. I got this kit for $10. This is 28, but I think that's how much he paid for it. But I got it for $10. That's how much he sold it to me for. So very cool. So we got a half track. Been wanting one for a while. And these other kits he gave to me. He gave 3 of them for me for $2 each, and he just gave me another one for free. He told me just take them because I don't do car models. So I was like, oh my gosh, you sure? And he said, yeah, I don't do cars, I do military. So first one I picked up was, look at this bad boy. We got a 70 Boss VO2 Mustang. This is the only sealed kit I got. Well, actually no, the Davey Allison one was sealed too, but this is the only sealed kit I got from this seller. This is really cool. The reason why I got this, because Black Box has a wide body kit for this Mustang. So I really wanted that wide body. It's really cool. It should look really neat. So yeah, this kit's very neat. And again, $2. I'm not complaining. I mean, that's the cheapest you ever can get them. So another one we got, boxes, like I said, what boxes were destroyed, but look at this. We got a 78 Firebird. This is a really cool model. I've never seen this one before, but you know, it's probably the same as their modern one nowadays. But this one looks a little bit different. I don't think the modern one has like a blower on top, or not blower, but you know, intake like that. But they're very cool. And the reason why he got these, he told me a little story. The reason why he got these car models, because these models were in like a flooded house at Owego, New York. And a guy just gave them to him. He goes, I don't do models, or I don't do cars. And he goes, I don't care. I need someone to just take them. House was flooded. I just want to get these out here. So he took them, But yeah, they were in a flooded house. But I don't think, obviously, I don't think these got flooded. Probably in the attic or something upstairs or whatever. But they were in a flooded house. That's how you got these car kits. So yeah, very cool. So again, $2. I'm not complaining. I mean, it's like you get an offer for $2. Don't pass it up ever. Another one we got for $2 is this one. I thought was kind of cool. I'm going to show you why here in a sec. 70 Dodge Charger RT. The car is pretty neat. I do love these Charger body styles. I think these are really nice body styles. But the main reason why I got this is look at the art box. Right there, right there. The art box builder, I don't think he put enough glue on the soft top, and he didn't glue it to the window frame too thoroughly. But it's like an art box air, you want to call it. I never seen it before. I never seen that art box like mistake before. This art box just drew my attention. It's like, dude, that's funny. Like an art box air that has. Normally you don't want to do that. Normally you want to make this as perfect so it draws people's attention. But that's funny. I've never seen that. That's one of the reasons why I got this. But no. Other reason why is because this is my favorite Dodge Charger body style. To be honest, the 70s. Love this body style, but that just cracked me up right there. I even pointed it out. He goes, "Oh my God, I didn't even notice that." I was like, "I didn't notice that." That's just too funny. Art box error. So that's funny. And then the kit he gave to me for free. He said, just pick out another one for free. I was like, you sure? He goes, yeah, absolutely. I don't do cars. So I just got these 90 Chevy C1500. Again, really nice. I'm not sure if this is water damage. There's something on the art box you see right there, but I don't know. I don't think it is. I mean, I don't think it's water damage. They look really good. But yeah, he gave this one to me for free because he just want to get rid of them. So should be a really cool model, and this one has some good weight to it. So there's quite a parts in these kits. I'm not gonna open it. It's kind of a pain, but yeah, very cool. I can't believe he gave me these kits for $2 and gave me one for free. And I bought the military kit from him as well. So yeah, really cool. So that's a really cool swap meet. And then the last seller I bought from, I think this one drew my attention. This kit is from 2003, which I didn't know about. I thought it was sooner, which was a Humvee. I love these Humvees, these military Humvees. This one actually has a turret on top. That's cool. That's a really cool Humvee. I wanted it. This is the first model I've got from the swap meet. I saw it. I was like, yeah, I'm getting that. I want the Humvee because Humvees are so cool. I love these military Humvees. And people buy them and they make them as their personal vehicles. And these ones they're slow, but they are like tanks. I mean, you can just go through like woods without putting a damage or a dent on these bodies. But yeah, really cool. I love the Humvees. So that's it for the swap meet. We got 2 more kits. We got from Mega Hobby. Mega Hobby had a Fujimi and Iwashima sale. I guess they were kind of overstocked, so I picked up a few. First one I got was this one. This is a Mark III Toyota Supra Turbo A. Very cool because the Mark IV and Mark V Supra. Mark IV Supra is the most popular Supra of all time, with the 2JZ and all that fun stuff. And the Mark IV or the Mark V Supra, which is now a Supra today, which is kind of like a BMW, but we're not gonna get into that subject. But Mark III, this is not really too popular, but it's actually a really cool body style. I never even know they had a kit of one until Fujimi had it out. I was like, oh, no way. So it's very cool. I kind of looked at it. It does come with right and left-hand drive dashboards, which is really cool. But yeah, I figured get it. I mean, it's a really cool body style. I've never seen one as a kit. And then Fujimi, as I saw, I was like, oh shoot, I'm getting that. So, and you know me, I love my Toyotas. I love Toyotas. I mean, who doesn't like Toyotas? Toyotas are they're one of the most reliable vehicles in the world. I mean, jeez. Then the last one I got, I think this is pretty cool. We got another Liberty Walk wide body Lamborghini. This is, what Lamborghini is this? Is this the, I forgot what do you call this? Obviously this is the older Lamborghini, But yeah, very cool. I do have the Vent Door Lamborghini from Hiroshima with the wide body, but this is the older version. So very cool. I mean, it's regular $60. I got it for like 40, something like that. So I'm not complaining. I mean, that's a really good price for this kit. It is kind of a curbside, so there's no full engine detail. It is more like a basic model, but I mean, I see people do this on Instagram. They do make these things look absolutely amazing. I mean, you can raise and lower the suspension, as you can see on there, but I mean, look at the art box. I mean, yeah, I've seen someone build this model before, and yeah, they make it look really nice. And the cool thing is, the body kit is already molded onto the actual body, because on the other Hiroshima kits, such as the GTR, you do have to put a body kit on yourself, which makes it harder. But for this is more like a kind of a beginner's kit, because like I said, it's kind of like a curbside and more like a simplified kit. But yet, really highly detailed modelers are actually building these type of kits from Hiroshima, and they make them look really good. And that's kind of maybe a draw to get this kit, and it's really cool. So that's it. That's all the stash. I mean, I think it's quite a bit. I wasn't gonna do one because I didn't think I had enough, but I think I had enough. It's almost a 20-minute video. But alright guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I think I scored with this stash update. This stash, especially with the swap meet at my hobby shop. I walked in that hobby shop for $200, and I only spent like $50, I believe, at the hobby shop with the swap meet. I got all those kits. It's unreal. But alright guys, that's it for this video. My next video, we're gonna introduce you to my next project, which you don't want to miss, because it's another crazy build. And then yeah, so we'll take it from there. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope we'll catch you next time. Yeah, we'll see you guys later.